Hello, hello. This is Amanda with Greensboro Public Library. October is pasta month. The video for this month will highlight a tasty recipe in celebration of pasta. This month's cookbook highlight is Gennaro's Pasta Perfecto by Gennaro Contaldo. Our featured recipe is baked pasta filled with mushrooms and ham. For your ingredients, you will need jumbo pasta shells, extra virgin olive oil, prosciutto, garlic cloves, mushrooms, white wine, Italian flat leaf parsley, butter, all-purpose flour, milk, salt and pepper, nutmeg, and Parmesan. Step 1. Heat the olive oil in a deep pan over medium-high heat. Add the prosciutto and sauté for 1 minute. Step 2. Then add the garlic and sweat for 1 minute. Step 3. Stir in the mushrooms, increase the heat, add the wine, and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes until the mushrooms are cooked. Step 4. Remove from the heat, season with salt and pepper, then stir in the parsley and let cool slightly. Step 5. Melt the butter in a small saucepan, then remove from heat and using a small whisk, mix in the flour very quickly to avoid lumps. Step 6. Gradually add the milk, whisking well between each addition. Return to the heat and cook over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes, whisking all the time until the sauce begins to thicken. Step 7. Remove from the heat, season with salt and nutmeg, and stir in half of the grated Parmesan. Step 8. Combine a ladleful of the white sauce with the mushroom mixture and mix well. Step 9. Line the bottom of a large baking dish with about half of the white sauce. Fill the pasta shells with the mushroom mixture and arrange them in the dish on top of the sauce. Step 10. Pour over the remaining white sauce and sprinkle with the remaining grated Parmesan. Bake in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for 20 minutes until golden and bubbly. Step 11. Carefully remove from oven and enjoy. Thank you for joining me with Cooking with the GPL Collection. I'll see you next time. Have a great day.